Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows is updated and Bluetooth drivers are current. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your PC and put the accessory into its quick pair or discovery mode. Different devices use a button or hold sequence. Then open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and keep that page visible. You do this because Swift pair signals will appear only when Windows is actively scanning. Make sure the accessory is within 3 to 10 feet for reliable discovery before moving to the next step. You look for the Swift pair toast that appears automatically. It's brief, so pay attention. Once the notification shows, click Connect immediately. You may see a PIN or permission prompt, verify the code on both devices, or allow the connection. This prevents accidental pairing. After you accept, Windows negotiates profiles and drivers in the background. Expect a short pause. When the UI reports connected, test audio or input to confirm function. If you need a specific profile, check Device Manager for driver details. You finalize by testing the device's primary functions. Play audio, check the microphone, or try buttons so you catch issues early. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart your PC and retry Swift pair. Many transient errors clear that way. If problems persist, remove previous pairings on both devices, update drivers or firmware, and as a fallback, use manual Bluetooth pairing from settings. One key troubleshooting tip. Sometimes another nearby paired device blocks discovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.